Hey everybody, this is Edward for Power Mechanical. I wanted to give you a quick tip for your boiler rooms. Right here we're looking at the oil pressure and supply lines for this pressure atomizing burner. And the biggest tip that I want to give you is to keep an eye on your differential and your supply line. If you start seeing a big swing in these two, then it's probably time to look into changing your filter out. The best thing you can do is check this daily and just watch for any kind of rising trend in that differential, and then you'll know it's probably a good idea to go ahead and change this filter out.